during his conversation with you said that cash transfer should be made after the lockdown is lifted, so that people get the money when they can go out and buy and not now. He said the government can make a promise to that effect now. Do you agree, or does the Congress feel cash transfer should be made now?
I think we are at a place where we have already started the transition of opening the lockdown. What Mr. Banerjee was saying was the moment the transition to a non-lockdown state begins, you have to start giving the money. And I think that process should start immediately. According to the government's own admission that we are beginning to loosen the lockdown.
Thank you, sir. There are multiple questions, sir, and I wish I could take them all. It's been 1 hour and 10 minutes.
Look, Randeep ji, what I will do, we will do this again. And I would request you that the people who have not been able to ask a question this time should be given first chance in the next.
Thank you so much, Rahul Gandhi, because you are finally, because we always have this problem. We always have this problem, and I'm very happy that
Sunil, you don't have this problem.
Sir, I have not been allowed in the lockdown period twice.
Okay, good. Sunil will ask the first question next time.
And Mukesh Kaushik is also not being given chance, sir.
line mein hu, sir. Sunil and Mukesh. Many questions.
Sir, Bilal Sabzwari, Swaraj Express से बोल रहा हूँ.
आज क्वेश्चन ले लीजिए सर, मुझको बहुत एक अर्जेंट सवाल करना है.
Can I make? We'll take a question from Mukesh and Sunil both, and then we will wind it
Rahul,
up.
this is
Sandeep जी मैं भी हूँ. रणदीप जी मैं भी हूँ.
जी मैम, मैंने नोट कर लिया है. जैसा राहुल जी ने कहा है, हम बहुत जल्द बाकी के सवाल भी लेंगे.
I was here for the very first time. This is Mayank, so I believe that next time my question will be taken.
We will also do that. So if Sunil, you are here, go ahead and ask, please.
Rahul ji, thank you so much, because I think 2 points which have not been really raised correctly is one is about which the Chief Justice said that the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary must work together during an emergency. The legislature, there have been requests from standing committees, in particular, to have an oversight over what the Home Ministry is doing, because it's become a joke. The kind of compendiums that they have been sending in terms of addendums after issuing guidelines, and various states, and confusing everybody. So we have seen that across the states. So whether now their presiding officers under pressure after listening to certain people are saying, okay, let them examine it because in camera, because Prime Minister is holding meetings with chief ministers. There have been various in camera hearings, but a legislative oversight is not permitted. Second, chief ministers across this country have started taxing diesel, petrol, alcohol. Would you suggest this to your Congress chief ministers in particular? And I've seen you a little bit more active during this lockdown. Will this mean that you relook at your issue of, the closed chapter? Is you returning back as a closed chapter, or is it an open chapter now?
Now, you please read my letter that I wrote 1 year ago on that issue. I think oversight is very important, and I think committees in Parliament absolutely should be allowed oversight. I think it is critical. In fact, the sooner the better.
The petrol and diesel.
Look, I leave these decisions. I don't like advising chief ministers to press conferences. I leave these decisions to them. The rule I would say they should follow is be compassionate, understand that India is going through a very difficult time, that there are people who are struggling more than others, and be gentle and compassionate and loving towards everybody. I do think that I was actually surprised at the diesel and petrol hikes at the central level. I didn't expect that, but they have their prerogatives.
Thank you, sir.
Can I just
Sir, Randeep ji, आप सवाल की इजाजत है तो कर लूं?
एक सवाल पूछ लूं?
Can I just end online, Randeep?
जी सर.
राहुल जी एक सवाल.
राहुल जी, मैं मुकेश कौशिक हूँ दैनिक भास्कर से.
एक मिनट मुकेश जी, कुछ वो कह रहे हैं।
नहीं, let मुकेश speak. मुकेश जी बताइए।
हाँ, राहुल जी, मेरा सवाल इंडियंस को जो बाहर है, विदेशों में है, उनको भारत लाने के बारे में है। लेकिन उससे पहले मैं आपके जो कन्वर्सेशन चल रहे हैं उसके बारे में आपको धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। आपने हम जैसे जर्नलिस्ट को सिखाया है कि किस तरह से अच्छा इंटरव्यू पोलाइटली कंडक्ट करना चाहिए, किस तरह से लोगों से नॉलेज लेनी चाहिए।
वो इंटरव्यू नहीं है भैया,
बहुत पोलाइटली आप बहुत
वो कॉन्वर्सेशन है, एक्सचेंज ऑफ आइडियाज है।
लेकिन मैं आपका फैन
नहीं है, बट काफी मतलब इंटरेस्टिंग बातचीत हो रही है।
हाँ, मेरा सवाल ये था कि हम लोगों ने इटली, ईरान, वुहान और जापान से इंडियंस को लाए और फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट लाए। वो स्टूडेंट्स थे, वो डिस्ट्रेस में थे। लेकिन जब खाड़ी देशों से मजदूरों को लाने की बात हुई, कामगारों को लाने की बात हुई, तो उनसे भारत सरकार चार्ज ले रही है। ये कहाँ तक उचित है?
गलत है। सब हिंदुस्तानी एक हैं, सबको एक ही ट्रीटमेंट मिलना चाहिए। और अगर हम लोगों को ट्रांसफर करने की बात करते हैं इस सिचुएशन में, सिर्फ हमें एक चीज चेक करनी है कि वो मेडिकली चेक्ड हैं, हाँ या ना। अगर मेडिकली चेक्ड हैं, सेफ हैं, तो उनको ट्रांसफर करने की कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं।
थैंक यू
सर। द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम संदीप फूकन ऑफ हिंदू। संदीप, प्लीज गो अहेड एंड आस्क योर क्वेश्चन।
रणदीप जी, मैं भी हूँ
जी, मुझे मालूम है मैम, और जैसा ज्यादा से ज्यादा हम 50 के करीब सवाल ले चुके हैं और भी लेंगे। संदीप जी फ्रॉम हिंदू, प्लीज गो अहेड एंड आस्क। अदरवाइज he has sent me the question, and also
on my screen.
Identical. And if I may repeat the question of both of them, sir.
Yes.
Sandeep ji from Hindu and Kaushik Deka from India Today both wanted to know two things, sir. One was your opinion on a comprehensive agriculture package. And the second part of the question, sir, was how a top-down strategy is not working, and the strategy really needs to come from the district, state, and then to the center, and not vice versa.
Yeah, the bulk of the fight is going to happen at the district and the state level. But that is not to say that there is no role for the center. Center absolutely has a role. But there is a division of labor. Center should not be deciding zones. District magistrates and chief ministers should be deciding zones based on input from the ground, for example. But that is not to say that there is no place for the center. The center absolutely has to think about national strategy. But center must not get into the local fight against the disease. And I think if there is a observation that I can make, the current fight is too centralized. It needs to become more decentralized. Prime Minister has to, in my view, do 2 or 3 things. Number one, reduce the fear of the Indian public. That's job number one. Make India believe that, look, yes, it is a scary disease. Yes, it is scary for a certain amount of people, but it is also not a deadly disease for many people. Number two, start talking with the chief ministers. Not talking as the boss, but talking as a colleague, talking as someone who's helping them. Forget about Congress ruled states, BJP ruled states, CPIM, forget about all that. They're all Indian chief ministers. And they should all be working together with the Prime Minister. I would, if I was to advise Prime Minister, even though it's not my place, definitely, once in 2-3 days, a call to every single chief minister. That would be very important. And a partnership type of call. Thank you.
राहुल जी, चलते एक सवाल पूछूं अगर आपकी जायज हो।
Finally, other advice, which has been the thrust of this press conference. Put money into our people's hands immediately. Don't dilly-dally. Put money immediately into our people's hands. Don't worry about it. Our people are solid people. They will turn this thing around if you give them the opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Rahul.
Thank you. Stay safe.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.